Today, we bring you a story of nature's fury and human resilience. In a dramatic turn of events, a tornado tore through the town of Tomat and its neighboring areas this afternoon, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Stay with us as we delve into the heart of this storm, recounting the harrowing experiences of those who witnessed it firsthand and exploring the factors that led to this unexpected catastrophe.
This is believed to have passed the toll gate. Look at this thing. It is so huge for this to be.
At around 4 p.m., the first signs of the impending disaster began to emerge. Residents reported hailstones pelting down from the sky, a precursor to the more sinister force that was about to reveal itself. Social media buzzed with videos and images capturing the moment the tornado began to form, a sight both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Despite a level 1 weather warning from the South African Weather Service, many were caught off guard by the sheer magnitude of the event. The warning, although indicative of severe weather, did not fully prepare the residents for the scale of the destruction that was to follow. Numerous homes have been decimated, roofs torn off, walls crumbled, and personal belongings scattered across the landscape. The once familiar streets now resemble a war zone, with debris strewn everywhere. In the wake of this chaos, multiple injuries have been reported, though fortunately, no deaths have been confirmed at this time. The damage has been widespread, with heavy destruction reported in Tomat, Seatides, and La Mercy. Eyewitnesses reported seeing golf ball-sized hail as far south as Emble, underscoring the extensive reach of the storm. One of the most striking accounts comes from Wade Drury, a resident of Salt Rock. He was driving north on the N2 towards the Tongaat Toll Plaza when he saw the tornado take shape. In the aftermath, emergency response teams are working tirelessly to address the widespread needs of the affected communities. Essential supplies like food, water, and medical aid are being distributed as swiftly as possible. However, traffic remains slow and hazardous due to the ongoing storm and the debris littering the roads. Atmospheric instability, wind shear, and the cutoff low are critical in tornado formation. When these elements converge, they create a volatile environment conducive to the development of severe weather events. This was precisely the scenario in KwaZulu-Natal, as the convergence of these factors led to the formation of the destructive tornado that we witnessed today. This is a story of nature's wrath and human resilience. Despite the devastation, the community's unwavering spirit shines through. Stay with us for more updates as we continue to cover this unfolding story. For now, we leave you with these images of hope and recovery.